I was sleeping on the purple blanket. Trying to, anyways.
What? What the heck? Bonzo. Oh wait, I'm Bonzo.